Hey there, language learners! It's your buddy Emran here, and listen, saying goodbye doesn't have to be boring. It's like, we say goodbye all the time, right? So why not make it fun? Today I'm sharing 5 fun and casual ways to say goodbye that'll make your English sound super natural. We're talking those cool kid phrases that'll have you sounding like a native speaker in no time. Stick around. You don't want to miss the last one. It's my personal favorite. Trust me, you're gonna be using these all the time. Alright, let's kick it off with a classic. See ya! It's short, sweet, and you can use it with pretty much anyone. Your friends, your coworkers, even that friendly barista who makes your coffee. Think of it like saying, see you later, but way more relaxed. It's like you're already looking forward to seeing them again, but without all the mushy stuff. Picture this. You're leaving work after a long day. Instead of a stiff goodbye, you just toss out a casual, see ya tomorrow, to your colleagues as you're walking out. See? Doesn't that sound way more natural and friendly? It's all about that effortless cool, my friends. And the best part is, it works in so many situations. Whether you're grabbing lunch with a friend or wrapping up a quick phone call, see ya is your go-to for a breezy goodbye. Up next, we've got catch you later. This one's for those friends you see all the time, your buddies, your crew. It's like saying, I'll see you around, but with a little extra something. You know that feeling when you're hanging out with your best friends, and you just know you'll be seeing them again soon? That's the energy we're going for here. Imagine you're at the skate park with your friends, and it's time to head home. Instead of a formal goodbye, you just say, catch you later, dude. It's casual, it's friendly, and it lets them know you're looking forward to the next hangout. Plus, it just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? And hey, if you want to add a little extra flair, try saying it with a playful salute or a fist bump, just to really seal the deal. Chapter 3. Take care, the thoughtful farewell. Now, let's switch gears to something a little more thoughtful. Take care. This one's all about showing you care, without getting too cheesy. It's like saying, stay safe, but in a cool, casual way. Think of it like this. You're saying goodbye to someone and you want to let them know that you genuinely care about their well-being. It's a subtle way of saying I'm thinking of you, without making a big deal out of it. For example, let's say a coworker helped you out with a project, and you're heading home. Instead of just a plain goodbye, you could say, thanks again for the help. Take care, see? It shows your appreciation, and adds a touch of warmth to your farewell. And the best part is, it works in both professional and personal settings. So next time you're saying goodbye, remember to throw in a take care. It's a small gesture that goes a long way. Chapter 4. Later, the one-word wonder. Alright, let's keep it short and sweet with this one. Later. Yep, that's it. Just one word and you're good to go. It's the ultimate casual goodbye. Perfect for those times when you don't want to overthink it. It's like saying goodbye without actually saying it, like you're already halfway out the door, but you still want to acknowledge the person you're leaving. Imagine you're walking down the street with a friend, and you have to split ways. Instead of a formal goodbye, you can just say later. As you're walking in the opposite direction, it's casual, it's effortless, and it gets the message across. Plus, it's perfect for those situations where you're in a hurry, or you just don't feel like saying much. So next time you're looking for a quick and easy goodbye, just remember, later. It's short, it's sweet, and it always works. Chapter 5. I'm out, the fun one. And finally, we've arrived at my personal favorite, I'm out. This one's for all you cool cats and kittens out there who like to keep things fun and informal. It's like saying, I'm out of here, but with a little extra swagger. Imagine this. You're hanging out with your friends, and it's time to head home. Instead of a boring goodbye, you can just say, alright guys, I'm out, see you. It's playful, it's energetic, and it lets everyone know you're ready to hit the road. Plus, it just sounds cool, doesn't it? And hey, if you really want to make an exit, try saying it with a little finger point and a wink. Just to add that extra bit of flair. Trust me, I'm out. Is the perfect way to say goodbye and leave a lasting impression. It's fun, it's memorable, and it'll have your friends saying, that Emran, he knows how to make an exit.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Outro goodbye for now. And there you have it, 5 fun ways to say goodbye casually. Which one will you try out today? Drop it in the comments below. I had so much fun hanging out with you all today. Remember, language learning should be fun, so don't be afraid to experiment and try out these new phrases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later in the next video. Take care.